In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find all the comments and all the replies you have ever made on YouTube videos. My name is Isaac and this is a minute with AI. So to get started, all you need to do is to go to YouTube, and I have here my app. So I'll tap on it to open. Now from here, you'll see your profile on the bottom here. Tap on it and then this will open. So make sure that the email you're logged into YouTube is the one that you normally use to comment on YouTube videos or to interact with comments on YouTube videos. Now once you are here, look for the gear button, which is the settings. It is here. Tap on it and then this will open. Scroll down until you see manage all history, and here's the option. So if I tap on manage all history, this will open up our history page, and here you can see we have history, control, and interactions. So to find the comments, tap on interactions. So this page will contain all the interactions you have ever made on YouTube, and this will include comments, likes, and dislikes. So if you go to video interactions, you can see we have here video likes and dislikes, comment likes and dislikes, comments and replies, live chats, messages, and other video interactions. So we are interested in comment and replies. So if I tap on this, I'll be taken to all the comments that I have ever made on YouTube, and you can see plus the dates that I made the comments. You can see all of them this account has ever made on YouTube, and as you can see, there are quite a number of them. So if you tap on any of them, it will take you to the very comment you made. And you can see this comment, I made it 2 years ago. So this is quite a long time, but the good thing, it went ahead and stored this information. And as you can see, here it is. So that's how you find all your comments or replies on YouTube with ease. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.